In February 2022, we visited Oxford for the first time. We stayed at the Courtyard Marriott Hotel close to the castle, which was easily accessible to the train station and the town. Not knowing a lot about the city, we decided to buy a 48-hour hop-on, hop-off bus ticket. The round trip of the city on the bus took about an hour, and we did this twice. Once with a recorded audio description, and once with an actual guide on the bus itself. This gave a different slant on the attractions and history of Oxford. As well as giving us entrance to Carfax Tower, the ticket also gave us 2 walk-in tours of the city. Stepping through Oxford and the Town and Gown walk-in tour. Both tours were extremely interesting, providing us with loads of information about the history of Oxford and its universities. As it happens, we were the only people on each walking tour, so we basically had our own private tours of the city. Throughout our stay, we also visited the Science and History Museums. As well as Oxford Castle and Prison. All in all, we were very pleasantly surprised with Oxford, and would definitely recommend it to anybody.